As a leader, one of the most important things that you do is how you conduct meetings and the time that's spent in meetings. Andre, you're fantastic at running meetings. Love if you could share with us a few of the key organizing principles that you have around running highly effective meetings.
First of all, thanks for the compliment.
My pleasure.
But yes, when I sit back and think about one of the things I've learned about leadership, one of the techniques, the one I'm going to share with you right now is probably one of the ones I would say are my top 5. It's how do you open a meeting? Because if you think about meetings, it's what you do right at the start that sets the tone. If you get that wrong, you have to recover it, and it's very, very difficult. So we have this really simple formula, which we're going to share with you and really encourage you to do it at the next meeting. We call it the ABC. And ABC is an acronym and stands for 3 things. The A stands for aim,
yes.
B stands for benefit, and C stands for check.
Yes.
So every meeting starts with an aim or a purpose. If people don't understand why they're there in the meeting in the first place, or where the meeting's going, they are checked out. You've kind of lost them. They are thinking about, they're on their smartphones, they're looking out the window, they're thinking about what's for lunch. So you've got to get them right at the start by being really clear on the aim. The second thing is the one most people miss. They just, and this is probably the bit that we're going to ask you to really focus in on, is what is the benefit of the meeting to the participant? If there's no benefit for me being there, why am I here? What do you want them to get out at the meeting? Is it clarity? Is it confidence? What is the benefit for the individual? And you've got to be really clear about that. And the third thing we do is the C stands for check, which is getting them to really come back to you with, as a question, is that sound all right to you?
Yes.
And the check is really important because once they commit to it, once they say yes, they're invested.
Yes.
So let's try and do an ABC if you like. So the purpose of this video that we're sharing with you today, or the aim, if you like, is to really give you one tip that you can use in all of your meetings. By watching this video, the benefit, you're going to have something that you can use right away and take away from this video and use in your next team meeting. How does that sound to you? That's the check. ABC. Simple, not used very often, really powerful, and as a leader, you want to run great meetings, that's the place to start. There's other things as well, that's the place to start.
Fantastic. Have a great meeting.